SPM 2018. Now, very simple. Original number in a set is this x1 to xn. It has a standard deviation of 5, median of 2. The new set, you multiply by p plus 1. What happened to your standard deviation? They say m is 20. So, every number in the set, okay, my original standard deviation is 5. Every number in the set is times p. My new standard deviation must also times p. And the new standard deviation is now 20. What is p? P is 4. Okay. How about the second one? Find the value of q if p is 2.5. Okay, now remember, median is not affected by, is affected by plus minus times divide. Deviation is not affected by plus minus. This one it does. So we take 2.5, you multiply with original median, you plus with 1, and what happened to your new median? Your new median is q. So what's your q? 6. Kind of not bigger, right? Yeah.